In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch organization in Zoho Books. Switching between organizations in Zoho Books is a simple but very important task, especially if you manage accounts for multiple businesses, branches, or clients. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click, what to look for on your screen, and how to make sure you're always working in the correct organization. First, make sure you're already logged into your Zoho Books account and that you're on any page within the application, like contacts, invoices, or dashboard. The option to switch organizations is always available from the same place, no matter which module you're currently viewing. Look towards the top of your screen, in the main header area. You should see the name of the organization you're currently working in, usually near the top left corner, close to the Zoho Books logo or main navigation. This text is clickable. Move your mouse over the current organization name and click it. When you click the organization name, Zoho Books will open a small menu or drop-down panel. This is your organization switcher. It shows you a list of all the organizations that are associated with your account. Each entry in this list represents a separate organization profile within Zoho Books, with its own settings, contacts, transactions, and reports. Take a moment to carefully read through the list and identify the organization you want to switch to. This is especially important if you work with several organizations that have similar names. Double check the name so you don't accidentally switch to the wrong one and start recording transactions in the incorrect books. Once you've found the correct organization in the list, simply click its name. After you click, Zoho Books will refresh and load that organization's data. The page you're on may stay the same in terms of module, for example, contacts or invoices, but now all the information you see will belong to the newly selected organization. You'll know the switch was successful when you see the new organization's name displayed at the top of the page in the header, replacing the old one. From this point on, any action you take, such as creating invoices, adding expenses, or updating contacts, will apply to this new organization. That's all you need to do to switch organizations in Zoho Books. Click the current organization name at the top, choose the organization you want from the list,